Working at a constant rate, pump X pumped out half of the water in a flooded basement in 4 hours. Then pump Y was started, and the two pumps, working independently at their respective constant rates, pumped out the rest of the water in 3 hours. How many hours would it have taken pump Y, operating alone at its constant rate, to pump out all of the water that was pumped out of the basement? So we got rate times time is equal to work. And in this case, we got two pumps. So we got pump X and we got pump Y. And then we got pump X and pump Y working together. So let's fill in what we know. Pump X pumped out half of the water in a flooded basement in 4 hours. So to me, when I read this, this is all one statement giving me the rate for pump X. And what is pump X's rate? It is half of a basement, or half a job, every 4 hours, which is the same as one job or one basement every 8 hours. So then pump Y was started, and the two pumps working together but independently, pumped out the rest of the water in 3 hours. So what does that mean? So that is telling me something about the rate when working together. It's not telling me anything really about pump Y. So X and Y working together, they did the remaining half. So their rate is 1/2 of a job. But they did it in 3 hours. So they can do half a job every 3 hours, which is one job every 6 hours. How many hours would it have taken Y to do the entire job? So we want Y's time, so this time here, to do one job, one basement. So what we need to find is Y's rate by itself. And now we can easily do that because we have X and Y together. So as long as we can connect those two things, and pump X's rate plus pump Y's rate added together should give us their rate combined. So if I want to get a common denominator just to start, what is the common denominator between 8 and 6? 24. So one job every 8 hours should be what? 3 out of 24. Plus Y, so Y is equal to 4 out of 24. So Y's rate should just be 4 out of 24 minus 3 out of 24, which is one job every 24 hours. So this is Y's rate. So here we don't even really need to calculate this T, because our rate is in terms of one job, which is what they're asking for. So the time for it to do pump out one basement is 24 hours, which is E.